welcome back to the channel. Just out one last time this evening. I kind of like the Vic throaty sound. No, I don't want my that's also make it no louder. None of that bullshit. But my homie E did say a few months ago that it sounded like she was getting like deep throaty. And what it was during the winter months, like during the real cold days, I seen smoke coming out the left rear, like towards the back end of the left exhaust. There's a hole in there, right in there. So it's making it sound like a little deep throaty. Yeah, I don't know, I might fix it, I might not. Depending on how I feel. But yeah, I like this newfound sound. Man, I wish I was going to Memphis right now. And today my auntie's birthday. I had called her this morning, but she ain't answered. So I sent her a text. She still ain't replying back. Fuck you, cab driver. I ain't even cut you off. I'm trying to flash your headlights at me when y'all ass be cutting everybody off downtown. When motherfuckers come downtown, y'all be cutting everybody and they mama off. Fuck you, cab driver. Yeah, y'all had throaty sound. She sound real deep throaty. I don't know what be the hold up right here though. It just always wait till you get around this curve. Way up there when you make that right curve, go get on the Bishop floor. I seem to like it. So you got to check engine light on for the cat. I don't know. I ain't even priced cash yet. I might replace it with a new cat. I might not. If I decide not to, then I know what to do by myself for another year or two. Get new plates again. And all that good shit. bro. Yeah, the two cars that was in front of you left your ass. But anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video. As always, stop the snitching. Stay dangerous. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Out. CPD in the towel, PPV. Look at that towel, PPV. Look at that PPV. K9. Huh, and he got an LED, and he got his center cap. Man, them K9 cars be looking good. They keep them motherfuckers in good shape. Look at that. Look at her. Look at her. He going to get gas back here. Oh, I see bro over there. Oh no, he ain't going to get gas. Look at that. Look at her. She looking good. And this female officer driving. I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's out.